Hello everyone! I'm going to walk you through one of the biggest upgrades in UnoPIM 2.0, Agentic PIM.
It's a fully integrated AI agent that can create products from images, generate SEO content, create categories, bulk edit your catalog, and interact with your product data, all in one place. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, moving ahead to the Magic AI features, we have the AI Platforms data grid here. You can add your platform here as well. Here is the list of all supported providers, such as OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Grok, Ollama, xAI, Mistral, DeepSeek, Azure, and OpenRouter. You can also add your own custom AI platforms. This is the default setup, where we have included all the models. At the moment, I have configured OpenAI and Grok, and their status is enabled.
Go to the Magic AI settings, and under Agentic PIM, you can enable or disable the AI agents directly from this configuration panel. Here, you can manage the daily token budget, enrichment, quality monitor, confidence threshold, and approval mode. Next is text generation, which automatically generates text, and if you disable it, you will not be able to use it in the admin section. This can also be managed based on the platforms you have enabled here, and they will be visible in this section.
This is for image generation, and the last section is translation. These are all the configurations for it. So once I enable all of these and click on Save Configuration, these options will become visible here. Now, moving on to the prompt section, you can add your prompts for both text generation and image generation. While adding an image or related content, the automatic prompt will be visible here, and you can also manage it from this prompt section. You can add your custom prompt and title here for purposes such as tag generation or image generation. Moving on to system prompts, these define how the AI behaves, such as a confident, assertive, or instructional tone. You can also enable or disable different presets like Friendly Assistant, Professional Advisor, or any custom prompt based on your requirements and preferences. So, this covers the Magic AI section. Now, moving on to Create from Image, you can create a product simply by uploading an image. You can also update products using AI. Additionally, you can search products by SKU, name, or status, and even find similar products using AI. You can generate content as well as generate an image by providing a prompt. You can also assign categories and view the list of attributes. If you want to edit a product image, that option is available as well. Next, you have options to export products, perform a bulk import via CSV, delete products, and create categories. You can also view the full category hierarchy to understand how everything is structured. Additionally, you can create attributes directly from here and manage options and attribute families.
You can also perform bulk edits. There is a catalog summary and channels, followed by users and roles management. Additionally, there is an Ask Anything option, where you can ask about anything happening within UnoPIM. Now, I'll walk you through each feature one by one, starting with Create from Image. In this, I'm going to upload an image, and after uploading it, the product will be automatically created by the AI. So click on it, select an image, like I am adding a shirt image, and then click on the Send button. It is currently in processing, so let's wait for a moment. As you can see, the product has been created, and this is the message received from the AI. AI analyzed the image and generated a product. It detects the name, category, product type, color, description, SKU, meta title, and categories. So it creates all these details after analyzing the image. Now I'm clicking on the Yes, Proceed button. It is currently in processing. As you can see, the product is now created here. You can also view the product by clicking on this button. As shown, the product is created with around 75% of the details, and now I can update it as per my preferences. This is the image that I uploaded. Now, let's check the next feature, Update Products. In this section, I'm going to update products. As you can see, these are the available products for updates. For example, in the Catalog Products section, I am going to update the status for a specific SKU. Currently, its status is enabled, so I'm copying the SKU and entering Set Status to Disable for SKU 122, then clicking on the Send button. Let's wait for a moment. As you can see, the AI responds that the product with SKU 122 is currently active. To disable it, I just need to click on Yes, Proceed. So I'm doing that. Now, as you can see, the SKU 122 product has been disabled. Let's verify it by refreshing the page. As shown, the product status is now disabled. Moving further, we have the Search Products feature. So I'm going to find products by their SKU, name, or status. Now I will find a product by its name. So search a product by the name of laptop. Then click on the Send button. It is currently in processing. As you can see, this product is currently not available. So let's search another product. For example, search product by name, DataLogic Hands-Free Presentation Barcode Scanner. Then click on the Send button again. It is now in processing. As you can see, one product is found and its ID is 83 with the type Simple and the status Active. You can check it here as well. So these are all the details available here. Using this, you can easily search through AI and quickly get the ID, type, and status within seconds. Now the next feature is Find Similar. Using AI, you can find similar products based on the name, SKU, or other details. So I'm entering a prompt like find a product by the name of shoe, then clicking here. As you can see, the AI responds that it found a product with the SKU and the type is configurable. Now let's search for this product in the catalog. As you can see, there is a product for shoe. Using this feature, you can easily find your products within seconds. Now, let's move to the next feature, Generate Content. In this feature, you can easily create content for your products. For example, I'm going to generate content for the Oppo F19 product and create its SEO details. So I'm entering the prompt, generate the SEO details for the SKU, then I will copy the SKU from here, paste it, and click on the Send button. This is the product Oppo F19, and we are generating the meta description, meta keywords, and meta title for it. As you can see, the content has been generated successfully. Now you can check it in the View Product section. As shown, all the details, meta description, meta keywords, and meta title have been created successfully. Using this feature, you can easily generate product content along with SEO optimization. Moving further, we have the Generate Image feature. Click on it, and I'm going to generate an image for the product Oppo F19. Enter the prompt and the product SKU, then click on Send. By default, there is no image for this product. With the help of AI, we are generating an image for this existing product. As you can see, a top front view image of SKU Oppo F19 has been generated. You can view the product from here and the image is displayed successfully. You can also download the generated image. So, using this feature, you can easily generate images for your products. Now let's check the seventh feature, Assign Categories. Currently, this product does not have any categories assigned, so I'm going to assign a category using AI. Go here and type Assign a category for the SKU, then paste the product SKU and click on the Send button. It is now in processing. As you can see, the category has been assigned. Let's refresh the page. Now you can see that the headphones category is assigned. Using this feature, you can easily assign categories to existing products. The next feature is List Attributes. With this feature, you can easily view the family attributes and options of any product. I'm going to check the attributes of this product. First, copy the SKU, then enter the prompt, what type of attributes are there in this product, and click on Send. It is now in processing. As you can see, the attributes for this product include color, product line/series, SKU, and more, along with structured details and suggestions. Using this feature, you can quickly view and review product attributes within seconds. Now let's check the next feature, Edit Product Image. Here, I'm going to update the image for this product. Currently, the image is of white earbuds, and we will change the color to black. So I'm entering the prompt, update the image of SKU, then adding the SKU and specifying the color as black. Now click on Send. It is currently processing. As you can see, the updated image has been generated. You can view the product and also download the image. This image will be added to the product. Now I'm refreshing the page, and as you can see, the image has been updated. Using this feature, you can easily edit your existing product images.
Now, the 10th feature of Agentic PIM is Export Products. I'm entering a prompt like Export all the products in CSV, and then clicking on Send. As you can see, all the products have been exported into a CSV file, and you can download it from this link. You can then review the exported product data in the CSV. So you just need to ask the AI, and you can easily export your products in the required format. Now let's move to the next feature, Bulk Import CSV. Click on it, and I'm going to upload a CSV file. I'm adding a prompt like Proceed for bulk import of products and uploading a CSV file with all the data. It is currently in processing. As you can see, the CSV has been successfully uploaded. Now let's check it in the catalog. Here you can see that the bulk import has been completed. Let's check the next feature, Delete Product. Using the SKU or product name, you can easily delete products. For example, I'm going to delete a product with the SKU 435. Enter the prompt and click on the Send button. It is currently in processing. Then click on Yes, Proceed. As you can see, the product has been deleted successfully. Now I'll refresh the page and the product is no longer visible. Using this feature, you can easily delete products. Moving further, the next feature is Create Categories. With this feature, you can easily create a category by simply entering a prompt. For example, create a category named Shoes, then click on the Send button. It is currently in processing. The AI provides suggestions such as name, code, and parent category. Now click on Yes, Proceed. As you can see, the Shoes category has been created with ID 190. Let's verify it in the Categories section. Search for the category, and as you can see, it has been created successfully. Now let's check the Category Tree feature. With this feature, you can easily view the full category hierarchy and structure. I'm entering a prompt like, Show me the complete category tree structure, then clicking on Send. It is currently in processing. As you can see, all the categories are displayed, around 15 categories. You can also verify them here, including names like clothes, men's, women's, electronics, footwear, garden, and bath. This feature provides a complete view of all category names and their hierarchy, making it easy for admins to understand the full category structure. Next, we have the Create Attributes feature. With this, you can easily create an attribute by entering a prompt like Create a text type attribute named Shoes type. As you can see, the attribute code is generated and the attribute is created with the name Shoes type. Now let's check it in the Attributes section. Search for the attribute, and as you can see, it has been created successfully with the type Text. Now let's check the 16th feature, Manage Options. With this feature, you can easily add options to an existing attribute. For example, I'm checking the Size attribute. This attribute is already created and contains options like Small, Medium, Large, and XL. Now I'm going to add one more option, Double XL. So I'll enter the prompt, Add Double XL option in the Size attribute. Then click on the Send button. It is currently in processing. Now click on Yes, Proceed. As you can see, the option has been created. Let's refresh the page and verify it. As shown, the XXL option has been added successfully. Using this feature, you can easily manage attributes and add new options as needed. Moving further, we have the Attribute Family feature. With this, you can easily view, check, create, and manage attribute families. I'm entering a prompt like, "Show me all attribute families." It is currently in processing. As you can see, there are two attribute families, default and camcorders. Now let's verify this in the Attribute Families section. As shown, the same two results are visible. Next, if I want to create a new attribute family, I will enter a prompt and click on the Send button. It is processing. Now click on Yes, Proceed. As you can see, a new attribute family has been created. Let's refresh the page to verify. Now the total count is 3, and the new family named Shoes has been created successfully. Using this feature, you can easily view and create attribute families as needed. Now let's check the next feature, Bulk Edit. Using this, you can mass update your products. Currently, we have 33 products, and their status is enabled. Now I'm going to use this feature to disable all the products by entering the prompt, Disable All Products. It is currently in processing. Now click on Yes, Proceed. The status was active, and now it is being changed to inactive. All 33 products have been updated. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, all the product statuses are now disabled. Using this feature, you can easily perform bulk updates on your products. Now, let's check the next feature, Catalog Summary. With this feature, you can get a complete overview of your catalog, including product counts, categories, attributes, and everything happening in your store. This is the default prompt that is automatically generated. Now click on Send. It is currently in processing. The AI returns the summary. There are 48 total products, all of which are active, and 0 inactive. Out of these, 42 are simple products and 6 are configurable products. Scrolling down, you can see there are 14 categories, which you can verify here as well. There are also 23 attributes and 2 attribute families. Using this feature, you can quickly get a complete overview of your store. You can also view this data directly on the dashboard. Next, we are going to check the Channels feature. Using this, you can easily view your channels, along with details like how many locales and currencies are available. You can get all this information within seconds by entering a prompt. First, I'll check how many channels are there. As you can see, there are 3 channels, Default, eCommerce, and Sales. You can verify this here. Next, I want to know how many locales are there. It is currently processing. As shown, there are 3 unique locales. Let's verify this in the Locales section. You can see that Germany, English, and French are enabled. Now, let's check how many currencies are there. The result shows 2 unique currencies, Euro and USD. You can verify this here as well. Only these 2 are enabled, while the others are disabled. So using this feature, you can easily query details about your channels, locales, and currencies. Moving further, we have the Users feature. With this, you can view your admin users and their details. I'm checking List all the admin users. It is currently in processing. As you can see, there is one user, Demo Admin, with the role Administrator, and the status is active. Let's verify this in the Users section. As shown, the user Demo Admin has the Administrator role and is in the active state, so it returns 1 result. Now, if I ask how many total admin users are there, it shows that there is 1 admin user in total. Using this feature, you can easily view all admin user details. Next, we will cover the Role feature. With this feature, you can easily view the roles and permissions in your UnoPIM admin panel. Click on it and enter the prompt, "Show me all the roles and permissions." It is currently in processing. As you can see, there is currently 1 user assigned with the permission type All, and there is 1 role in the system. Let's verify this in the system. As shown, there is 1 role named Administrator with permission type All. Using this feature, you can quickly retrieve all role and permission details within seconds. Next, let's check the last feature of Agentic PIM, which is Ask Anything. With this feature, you can ask anything related to your UnoPIM admin panel, such as catalogs, locales, currencies, categories, and more. For example, I'm asking how many products are there. It shows there are 31 products. Next, I ask how many categories are there. It shows 14 categories. Now let's check how many active locales are there. It shows there are 3 active locales. You can verify this in the Locales tab, where German, English, and French are enabled. Using the Ask Anything feature, you can quickly get information about users, roles, channels, attributes, and everything happening in your catalog system. So these are the AI features. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webcool.com or raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.